Understanding the Mixin Module in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll delve into an interesting term from the world of programming that has made its way into broader English usage: Mixin Module. If you've stumbled upon this phrase and found it puzzling, worry not. We're here to unpack its meaning and usage, so let's get started. In programming, a mixin is a class that provides a certain functionality to be inherited or used by a subclass, but is not intended to stand on its own. In simpler terms, think of a mixin as an ingredient you add to a dish to enhance its flavor. It's not the main ingredient, but it brings additional characteristics that improve the whole meal. A module, in the context of programming, is a file containing Python definitions and statements. The module can define functions, classes, and variables. Think of it as a recipe book that contains various recipes, or functions, that you can use to avoid rewriting code from scratch. When we combine these two terms, Mixin Module refers to a module that provides methods that can be used by other classes through inheritance. It's like a recipe book specifically for sauces or seasonings that you can mix into your main dishes to enhance their flavors and add variety. Outside of programming, the term Mixin Module can metaphorically describe any component that adds functionality or characteristics to something else without being a standalone element. It's a supplementary part that enhances the whole. I hope this explanation clarifies what a Mixin Module is and how you can think of it both in programming and general English. Happy coding and learning! Until next time, keep enriching your language skills.